Welcome. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of creating a new Discord account. Whether you want to join gaming communities, chat with friends, or participate in various servers, setting up your account is quick and easy. Let's jump right into the steps. First, start by downloading and opening the Discord app from the Google Play Store. If you don't have it yet, just search for Discord in the Play Store and hit that install button. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it up. On the login screen, you'll see an option to tap Register. This is your first step towards creating your new account. Go ahead and tap that button to begin the registration process. Now, it's time to enter your information. Fill in your email address, create a unique username that represents you, set a strong password, and don't forget to enter your birth date. This information is important, so make sure everything is accurate. Next, you'll need to agree to Discord's terms of service and privacy policy. It's a good idea to take a moment to read through these documents to understand your rights and responsibilities as a user. Once you're familiar with the terms, check the box to indicate your agreement. After you've filled in all the required information and agreed to the terms, tap Register to create your account. This will submit your registration and get you one step closer to joining the Discord community. Finally, check your email for a verification message from Discord. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your address. This step is crucial for ensuring the security of your account. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new Discord account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.